Hey everybody, CJ here. So today we're going to do Oxbow Nature Trail, but we're just going to do the individual trails. If you want to see the full tour of Oxbow, I'll put it in the description below. If you like seeing videos, tutorials, and product reviews about anybody getting started with outdoor activities, please like and subscribe. You can follow me every Wednesday when I put out a new video. And with that, let's go ahead and hit the trails. We're going to walk the short trail. Short trail of Oxbow is half a mile. It's easily doable by anybody just starting out going into nature. You don't have to have a lot of energy. And the beauty of this trail is there's so many benches along the way. If you need to take a break, just go ahead and take a break. Picnic areas if you need a snack. Here's a bench for your first break stop. Couple more picnic seats. They got this lovely bench here if you want to fish off it or just watch the creek run by. Another rest. It's a great area for starters. It's not long. It's easy to follow. And they're anticipating you needing a break. So, scattered throughout the whole short trail, there's lots of benches. If you're not very active, or you're not used to being out in nature, or you're carrying more weight than you should be, because I know some people think that, oh, I'm going to start hiking, I need to pack like the hikers do, and now you're bringing 40 to 100 pounds of stuff you don't need for a small hike. It's going to wear down on you. But I mean, that's the process. You learn. Just come out and enjoy it. Right. Taking the short trail. So we're going to go ahead and turn left. If we did the long trail, we'd take the right. Here you go. Another rest area. You can sit, relax, and learn something. These great little signposts are all over the place. And this one tells you that there's turtles here. Never seen a turtle here. I've seen turtles other places. I even got some turtles stealing bait off my fishing line at another location. But I mean, they might be down there. It's hard to see the water from this vantage, so. Nice. Open expanses for you to enjoy. These are great small trails if you're in the North Dakota area. I mean, half a mile, you can bring kids, they can handle it. Maybe you're struggling as an asthmatic and want to start being more active, work on expanding your lungs. This is a great way to do that. If you've got some injury you're recovering from, if anything in life has you struggling, or maybe you just want to be more fit, or you spent your whole life inside playing games and watching TV, these are small trails. They're nice, they're in nature. Anyone can get into this. All right, now we're back to the parking lot. Come through this shaded inlet, we'll be back at my van and the bathrooms. And that was your short trail. It's half a mile. It's easy, slow, lots of resting spots. Some nice sights, educational placards. It's a great way to start. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for joining me on this trip. I hope you enjoyed the view and it was a nice trip down that trail. I hope you'd consider clicking like and subscribe. Follow me every Wednesday when I'll cover a variety of topics with the goal of helping you to start going outdoors. Catch you next time.